I have my hair pinned back because today I'm going to be showing you my easy, fast, clean girl makeup that I use with my DIY lash extensions. I'm sure you guys have seen me in my previous videos how I have my DIY lash extensions. They are not professionally done. One, I used to get lash extensions done just for like trips, and at one point I kind of had like a phase for a couple months. It was a very short time where I was getting my lashes professionally done. But one, it's so time consuming. Two, it's very expensive. And then three, when you go back for the refills, it's almost just as expensive. And it's like, it's so much upkeep where I like doing things on my own, saving money, hence why I love press-ons and also doing my own nails. It's just very convenient. Veyesbeauty is sponsoring today's video, and I have some amazing lashes that I'm going to show from them. They have some really great kits, which I'm going to show you right here. They have different styles. It comes with the lash remover, the bond and seal, the matte tweezers to apply, which I will be showing you, and some beautiful bands. They are 80% lighter than other lashes. They are so lightweight and beautiful. When you feel them, the touch, they are so fluffy. They can last up to 7 days. My personal preference is I like to switch out my lashes after like 6 days. And again, it's all personal. And now I've been doing them for the last couple months where I can do my lashes in like 10-15 minutes, and it's like no big deal. It is crazy. I just know sometimes people spend an hour and a half on that chair, like laying down. I just can't. So I love these DIY extensions, and what I really love is that you can also combine them. So you can use two different styles, like this one is Forest right here, and the other one is in Flake. I just love the lashes because I can just get up, start my routine right away. I just start off with a primer. My skincare is already done, but I will say these lashes do make me feel just like ready right when I wake up. And like I said, I always like kind of switching up my lash style. So sometimes I just feel like the lashes look so naturally glam on their own that I don't, even if I don't have like a little drop of makeup on, I don't even care. I still feel like put together. Next, I'll apply my favorite skin tint. Like I said, I just like nice, natural, clean girl makeup. Just something really fast. And I'll make sure to list everything down below, along with my Veyes coupon, which is Lizzy15. If you have not given it a try, after trying out different brands, different styles, I finally just got it and I am obsessed. I'm going to add my favorite concealer, get rid of these dark circles. I'm telling you, this routine is so fast, especially for people who don't want to take a long time to get ready. I just feel like lashes is such a go-to, and I feel like I'm going to convert a lot of you from getting your lashes done to doing your own, because like I said, once I got the hang of it, I was like, this is so easy. You know, in the beginning, you're trying to figure out what lengths you want, what fits your eye, what combinations. And now that I've been doing it for the last couple months, I'm double stacking. I'm doing glam lashes, natural lashes. And then I'm just going to cover up my lids to balance out. Make sure to place no product under lashes because you want to make sure that they're nice and clean for the application. I'm not putting any mascara on. I'm just going to set my eyes with a neutral powder because I have oily eyelids. Add your favorite cream bronzer. Clean girl makeup is all about creams. What's so crazy is like we're almost done. Like we legit just have blush, and then set your face if you want, and then onto the lashes. Can you imagine just doing this routine every single day? How hassle-free you feel put together. Like, it's a win-win situation. Taking my sponge and sculpting out that contour right there. Blush, lip color, and let's get on to the lashes. Like, look at this fast routine. Pick your favorite lippy. And let's get on with lashes. I have the lash bond right here. Here is the applicator. I love this small little curve. It's perfect for hitting small little areas. Once I am done with the lashes, I will hit it with the seal, and this will help take away all the stickiness and just set everything into place. So today I'm gonna be using the style Forest, and one thing I want to say is that when you pick the lashes up with the tweezers, you wanna be very careful. You don't wanna just yank them off because they are so delicate and lightweight. So I'm gonna start at 16. And I tried to grab them right from the very bottom base. Don't grab them from the tip and lift. Grab it from the base and lift off, and you will get your lashes right here. And then look at that lash band. It is so lightweight and very delicate. Look how thin. It is so amazing. Again, 80% lighter than other bands. So my first tip is to work section by section, and I only place the bond at the base of my lashes. Gently push on my lid to help lift this area in, and I'm gonna tap, 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 And I'm gonna start putting the bond at the base of my lashes, just a little section, a little by little. And then also when I start my lashes, I don't start right at the very end because I feel like that personally gives me a droopy type of look with the lashes. Then with my lash, I take the bond very little on the top of the band, very small amounts, and this is going to help adhere the lashes. With placement, you do not place it on your waterline whatsoever. It's on your actual lashes. Again, not your waterline. That's going to be very irritating. And like I said, for personal style, I don't put it right at the end because then it tends to droop on me. Place it right closer to the end, and the glue is nice and tacky where it's gonna grab right away, and I just push up and I am set. See how I kind of skip like those two little lashes? I just kind of bring them up and then they're like with the set. So it's like nice and lifted. Put a little bond. You can also grab the lash with your fingers if that's a little bit easier and just place some bond right at the top. I'm gonna take my tweezers. I place my lashes, I like to slightly overlap them. I have noticed that it gives a more seamless look, and also it just helps attach all the lashes together, so I make sure that none of them come off. They kind of all combine together. So it kind of gives some longevity to them and gives more strength. Overlap it very slightly. I'm not completely going all the way over. It's just like the very ends. I'm going to overlap. I'm going to place right here. And look how fast that was. Now I just push up. And that is it. And look how fluttery and lightweight that is. So for my eye length and style, I personally like going in with 2/16s. And next I'm going to go into 2/14s. Bond at the base. Place some carefully at the top of the lash. Slightly overlap. Let the glue attach very easily. And push up. Okay, another 14. So far I have 2/16s and 2/14s. So next I'm gonna go into a 12 place and push up. Actually, I changed my mind. The last one is going to be an 8 just because I just want like just a little lash right there in the corner to finish it off. 8. Push up. We obviously have to seal our lashes. I lift up and then I do a slight tap, 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 tap. And that's not the only thing that I do. I take the tweezers and then I take the seal. I put it in between right here on the ends, on the outside and outside. And now we're going to officially clamp our lashes. You do not have to clamp in between each application. Clamp to make sure they're enforced. Clamp. Go down and then clamp. So now they are officially sealed and set. The fluttery lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye and I'll be right back. So here's the final look. I went ahead and did the other eye. What do you guys think? You guys, look how fast that was. Makeup looks super fast. Lashes are set. They can last up to a week. I'll leave all the information down below. Go ahead and check out Veyesbeauty and you can use my coupon Lizzy15. Let me know if you want any more videos on DIY lash extensions like tips and tricks. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah!